Hello, I'm Ryan from Appearance. How can I help you today?
Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about AI. This is called Millis AI. Okay, I recently just found out about it. This AI will let you create AI agent all from one place. Millis AI is the fastest, latency AI calling agent. Okay, that exists today. It's only 500 milliseconds. Okay, so now let's jump into the computer screen, and I'm going to show you how you can set up your own AI and get a call and everything. So as you see here, you can read their website, it's very natural. Okay, I love the color. Okay, it actually talks about like what type of things you can do with it. It lets you configure with make.com. You can do custom coding with it. You can choose your own LLMs if you want to, or Millis AI has their own LLM model, okay, for calling. Also for 11 labs, this is a very good feature. I'm going to show you in the next screen. So you just click get started when you come here, okay, and it lets you sign in and sign up. Okay, so you can sign up. I already did that, so I'll just log in with my Google account. Okay, once you come here, you have many options here on the side. Okay, you just have to understand that like you can create multiple agent and you can create multiple phone number for this thing. Okay, and it also lets you create campaign inside the Millis also. Okay, let's say the agent's name is Fazla. Okay, and click create agent, and then it gives you some very good options that is much needed. Okay, so in this options, you can see the LLMs, basically, like I was saying. So you can choose your own LLMs if you want GPT, you want llama, you want there are many experimental one also. With my testing, I found this one, the optimized for bit latency one, works well with the calling. For chat GPT, it's a little bit slow, but not that much. Okay, so you can try it out and experiment with it. So okay, so now this is the voice. So for example, you have your all all 11 lab voices. Okay, and you also can choose other platform. But also this is a very good feature that they tell you or give you, is basically you can have your own voice cloned in 11 lab and request to add it in your agent. What that will happen is it has a you can personalize the agent as much as you want. So let's say I like the voice of Adam. I can hear it.
Allow the world to live as it chooses. And
So you can preview the voice, okay, and select it and click save changes. Now you can choose language accent. This is very personalized. This is very personalized, as most of you will communicate in English. I will put English, okay. Then you can give it a knowledge base. So this is basically if let's say your company has knowledge base for the agent, so it will take the data from there. So for example, let's say you run a marketing agency. That's what I do. Okay, so in a marketing agency, there is a lot of service that we sell, but this AI agent doesn't know about it. So if you give it like a frequently asked questions and what services you provide, what's your pricing, while talking in the actual call, okay, it can give your potential client that, okay, this is what my company Appearance does. So this is how you can add it to your cal.com. Okay, so basically now they just have the cal.com, but later on most likely they will add um, more tools like Google Calendar and calendarly.com. Those are the most popular ones. So if I click add the app, okay, add app tool, okay, it shows me two options that I need to correct. Okay, you click add, it asks for API key and it asks for event key. Okay, event ID, sorry. So how do you get the API key for cal.com? So you just open a free account. Okay, you go to the app, okay, and it actually shows you here like your API. You go to settings, okay, and then you see API. Okay, so you can create your new APIs by just clicking add API. Okay, so I can say call it test Millis AI. Okay, you can set never expire, so you're not constantly have to update this API key and your thing have access all the time. Okay, so that's how I added it. I'm not going to add the event type now, you will see. So event type, this is how you take it. So you go back to your event. Okay, and maybe you can create a custom event, or you can take this existing one. This is up to you. Okay, and you see this this is ID, this is your event ID. Okay, so you just copy that and you paste it, and that's about it. So you do the same thing, okay, here. Okay, so basically this one gets your calendar event. So if, let's say, you have the calendar booked, okay, it will know, okay, that okay, this time this person is not available. And another one is setting up the calendar event. So let's say a customer has called. What they will do is they will say, hey, can you book me appointment tomorrow at 2 p.m. Yeah, and if you're busy at 2 p.m. it will ask for rescheduling. Okay, so I'll click update. So now you have your calendar, sorry, cal.com integrate. Okay, and you can add your own knowledge base. Okay, I'll add from my existing knowledge base. Okay, click add and save. Okay, there you go. So now your knowledge base is set up, and your what's it called, book a meeting slots, like the cal.com configuration is done. What you will be doing is you come here and you give it a prompt. This prompt you can copy from ChatGPT and everywhere, like any AI agent. So I will go to ChatGPT, and as you see here, I can write create me an agent prompt for my marketing company. Make sure he is he will book appointment with client with me. Okay, let's see what it gives me. So as you see, this is my ChatGPT, so it already has the memory, like, you know, it is taking from like my existing data. Okay, so I will take this. Okay, I'll also take the conversation style, and then I'm gonna paste it in the agent prompt. Okay, after I save it, this is mostly done. But if you want to make it more advanced, I suggest you you add here greeting line. So I'll say, hello, I am Fazla from Appearance. How can I help you today? So this is basically is the greeting line. So the agent, you can set like the customer has to talk first, but what I'm doing is the agent will talk first, saying, hey, like any other company. So it will say, hey, my name is Fazla Rabbi, I'm from Appearance, how can I help you today? So it will have a natural tone to it. Okay, moving on. So you can also turn it off. It's an optional thing. Okay, you can response the delay. You have many features here that that you should you know, experiment with. So far I like this greeting line, and I like how agent can terminate the call. So for example, if someone say or just buy, okay, then, like, you know, the agent will hang up the call. Okay, this is a feature that not every AI will give you, because the agent doesn't know the ChatGPT or whatever LLMs you're using. They don't know what when to hang up the call. So this is a good one. This is in beta. It works most of the time. Okay, so you can try it. Okay, I'll save this, and I will. So make sure everything is saved. Okay, and this is very important. Make sure your agent time zone, okay, is on point. So my time zone is Dubai. Okay, I'll click here, and I'll go Asia here, Dubai. Okay, so this is what helps, like, you know, your calendar.com to schedule the meeting in correct format. Okay, so you can enable call recording, you can enable, like, you know, enable data privacy, you can enable, like, you know, many things. But so far this is good. Okay, so I'm gonna test it with you in front of you. As you see here in the in the credit used, okay, I have like, you know, $5. So that's basically the free credit they give you. Okay, so you click start. So when everything is done, all you're satisfied with the thing, obviously you will be needing to fix this in a better way, and like, you know, however you like. And but so far for me, I'm just gonna start to show you how it works. So you click start.
Hello, I'm Fazla from Appearance. How can I help you today?
See, the thing is, the way it is starting the call, okay, you can change, fix it in a better way. So let's say I don't like Adam, okay, I'm gonna click Brian, okay, and then like instead of Fazla, because it's a Arabic name, so it's hard for him to say, I'll say Ryan, okay. Hello, I'm Brian from Appearance. How can I help you? Make it smaller, please. Okay.
Hello, I'm Ryan from Appearance. How can I help you today?
Hey Ryan, can you schedule me a meeting with Appearance?
Of course. I'd be happy to help you schedule a meeting with Fazla Rabbi, our founder. Could you please provide me with your name, email address, and a few time slots that work best for you? This way, I can find the most convenient time for your meeting.
Okay, my name is Adam. I want the meeting to be tomorrow at 2 p.m.
Thank you, Adam. Could you please provide your email address so I can finalize the booking for your meeting with Fazla tomorrow at 2 p.m.?
Yes, it's adam@gmail.com.
Great. Let me book that meeting for you right away. It seems there might be an issue with availability for tomorrow at 2 p.m. Let me quickly check for other available time slots around that time. Please hold on for a moment. It looks like Fazla is unavailable at 2 p.m. tomorrow, but there are several other time slots open. Here are the available times for Thursday, May 29th. 9 in the morning, 9:30 in the morning, 10 in the morning,
Okay.
10:30.
Okay. How about you schedule it at 9:30?
Scheduling your meeting for 9:30 in the morning tomorrow. Your meeting with Fazla is all set for tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to let me know.
I think that's all for today. Thank you. Thank you, Ryan. Bye bye.
Goodbye. Bye.
So see, it automatically closed the call when I just said bye, okay? And it's conversational. So if I just wanted to show you how it works, okay? So you can understand, okay? So when you say other, like when you throw a variable at it. So for example, if you say, let's say, what service do you provide, okay? And maybe there is a certain question that it doesn't know the answer to. You can also have a fail safe. So okay, I will make sure someone from my team will reach out to you with this answers and everything. So it's very advanced, okay? I found this to be very easy. There is other ways to create call agent, okay, like n8n, make.com, and a lot of things. I would like to show you the phone number, okay, how you buy the phone number. So if you click import number, okay, you can add your existing number from Twilio using API and API secret and account SSID. If you feel like, no, I don't want to do the hassle and go elsewhere, okay, you can just buy directly from here. I think this is $2, and in Twilio it will be around $1.50 or something like that, or $1. So it's not that much price different, and it's easier if you buy it from here, okay. You can put your area code. So if so far they only supports United States, Canada, Australia, and Puerto Rico, but most likely they have more coming to their platform soon, okay. So yeah, that's all. That's how you buy the number. Okay, after you're done buying the number, okay, you can select the agent. So for example, if I set Fazla now, okay, and I click set, okay, when this number is ringed, okay, it will be connected with this agent, okay. So that's how you can set your agent thingy-majiggy. Moving on, you have campaigns here, and call logs basically. So campaigns basically, it's if you create the campaign, okay, I already created one. It lets you add records. So for example, if you have a list, okay, that you want it to call, okay, you can import it and it will call those number and do the task or the command it gives, you give it. Like if you want to be a sales agent, okay, it's gonna be calling up your client list and say, hey, I'm from this company, I want to sell you this, blah blah blah. So feature that you need is here. Also, it can be, you can use this as a reminder. Okay, that was my raw in-depth opinion on the Millis AI. Okay, to be honest, I was struggling to, like, manage everything with N8N and other platforms. Then I find Millis, and this is, I think, only 7 months old, and it's a good tool for beginners who want to create AI agent for small companies that doesn't need so much automation, that doesn't need so much like advanced features. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, like it. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe. If you have any question, just comment, okay? And anything that you need and I showed, okay, in this video, I will put it down in the description. So basically the prompt or whatever I just typed here. So yeah, thank you guys, and see you on the next one. Bye.